Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to do a simple budget as well as some simple formatting things too. First of all, for some formatting items, I like to make sure my cells are boxed so it kind of keeps it a little bit more organized. So I'm going to do that to those. Let's say I want to fill these with color. So I'm going to select the cells that I want to fill with color. And let's say I want to make that green. And then I select these over here. And I want to make that a different kind of a color green. Just like so. There we go. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to bold these items. So you can select the cells you want to bold. Make it look like that. Also, I'd like to see that those cells are aligned in the center. So I'll put those in the center to make it look a little more organized in that way. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to take this cell, the wagon, and I want to add a hyperlink. When you want to add a hyperlink, you find the link that you want to use. Let's say I'm going to use this wagon right here. I'll take this hyperlink and I'm just going to simply copy it. I'll come over here, make sure the cell is selected. Right up here on this button, it says Insert Link. I'm going to click that and just paste it in there. And it is in there just like that. It doesn't change and add the really super long link. Okay, and if I hover over it, and then it shows me the link to get to that page. Now, here I put in a multiplication formula. So from here I can multiply, it multiplies C3 with B3. If I were to change this to, and I wanted to get two wagons, it automatically changes. It's kind of a nice function, but I don't want to do that. All right, next, what I want to do, you can also add conditional formatting. What that does is if a cell is a certain number or a certain whatever you want, you can make it do something. So for example, I'm going to select this cell and I want to do a conditional formatting for that cell. So I'm going to select that cell, hit format, go down to conditional formatting, and then from here, notice that I'm going to apply the formatting to this cell, which is H5. It's highlighted for me. If you wanted to do a range, then you could select a range of cells, but we're just going to choose this one for now. Now, that says for the rules for this cell, I'm going to say if it's between a certain value, $0 and $10, I want it to turn green. No, let's make it blue. I want it to turn blue, and I want it to be bold. And I want the font color to be white, so I can see that a little bit better. And there, it's done. I hit done, and I can close that. And now it automatically says that. Now, that tells me that I'm within $10 from my budget amount. Let's say I have in here that I want to go get 5 of those. It automatically takes that out because I'm not within $0 to $10. Let's put that back. There we go. That's how you do some of those functions. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how you insert an image. You just go to Insert. You're going to find Image. I like to select over the cells and select over the cells, and you're going to upload your logo or your image that we made in a previous assignment. And I'm going to scroll down here and find my logo. I'll just use this logo that I use for a different project. And then, like I said, you can select it and you can drag it around wherever you like it to be. All right, that's how you do that. Good luck with your assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.